So I just want to start out by being clear that this topic of degrees of belief or uncertainty sort of is a totally different topic than feminist epistemology, and a totally different topic than experimental epistemology or experimental philosophy. I don't intend these to be necessarily related. I just think they're all related in that they are sort of critical and different ways of looking at epistemology than the way we'd been looking before. There may be relationships here to experimental or feminist epistemology, but that's not intended. So, what's going on in the epistemology of uncertainty? Some of the first chapter of the book I had you read, I think, is helpful. Some of it's going to be challenging for you, but here are the important, I think, concepts to start out with. There's this notion of belief. We've been thinking of it a lot in this class. And belief, as portrayed here, and as we've been sort of understanding it, is a sort of on-off system. The belief system is an on-off system. You either believe something or you don't believe it. I either believe that grass is green or I don't. I either believe it's raining or I don't. That's very different from this notion of confidence, or the technical word in philosophy is often called credence. This is a graded system. There are different grades of confidence or credence. I can be more or less confident in something. So I can be more or less confident that grass is green, or I could be more or less confident that it's going to rain. I could be maybe 70% confident, or some interval, 80 to 90% confident, or even something just pre-theoretically, even something just non-numerical. I could just be pretty confident. And so why is Teitelbaum and many others, this is a very hot topic in philosophy, in epistemology, why are Teitelbaum and many others thinking more about confidence and credence than belief? Well, the idea is something like credences help us better understand our mental lives, because we don't just believe things. It's not like we're on or off on everything we think about. We're also more or less confident of many things. And he gives a number of examples, but I might be more confident that 2 plus 2 equals 4 than I am that it's going to rain tomorrow. And I might be more confident that it's going to rain tomorrow than I am that America has 52 states. I might be not confident at all of that last one. Seems like confidence can be, I can be more or less confident of things. And also I can be, these relations of confidence have measurable differences often. I can be like way more confident that 2 plus 2 equals 4 than that it's going to rain tomorrow. But I am only slightly more confident that 2 plus 2 equals 4 than I am that 57 plus 68 equals 125, just to come up with an example quickly on the spot. I think that's maths, right? Very confident of it, but not as confident as 2 plus 2 equals 4. Another reason why people move to credences is because they think it helps us explain norms that apply to us, explain how we should be, how our sort of doxastic state should be, or our belief-like state should be. But these need not, I think many people think, be beliefs, on-off beliefs. And so, for example, you see this in some of the seemingly paradoxical cases about our thoughts. What is the lottery paradox and the preface paradox? And I'll talk about those two in the next video.